A very good morning, friends. Today is 15th June 2025, Sunday. In the series of important points from various topics, we have completed straight line, pair of straight line, circle, and now we are entering in parabola. So what are various important points from parabola? I am giving you MHT, CT as well as JE point of view. So let us start. First point, what is conics? Conic is derived from the word cone. In old textbook, you will find the name of topic as what? Conic section. That is cutting of a cone. Take a cone and cut in different way, you will get different upper surfaces, such as parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, pair of lines. So they are the results of cone, so they are known as conics or conic section. So what is conics? It is locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio E. This ratio is denoted by E. Constant ratio E with its distance from fixed line. In this case, fixed point is called focus. Fixed line is called directrix, and constant ratio E is called eccentricity. You can see this. This is S, fixed point known as focus. This is D, fixed line known as directrix. This is P, a point on conic. It is locus of a point whose distance from fixed point, that is length PS. This distance bears a constant ratio E with what? With its distance from fixed line, PM. And this ratio is what? E. Now depends upon this ratio E, we have got various types of conics. Number one, if E is equal to 1, then conic represent parabola. If 0 less than E less than 1, then conic represent ellipse. Number 3, if E greater than 1, then conic represent hyperbola. If E is equal to 0, then conic represent circle. So in case of parabola, E should be 1. Now we'll go to what? Parabola only. Now friends, we'll go to what? Important points of parabola. Number 1, it is locus of a point whose distance from fixed point is equal to its distance from fixed line. Fixed point is called focus and fixed line is called directrix of parabola. Now I'll give you types of parabolas. A, y square is equal to 4ax. It is like this. Focus will be here and directrix will be behind. Second is what? Y square is equal to minus 4ax. This is directrix. And third is focus is here and directrix behind at equal distance from vertex. And last type is what? Now we'll go to what? Comparison chart among all four types. Points of distinction: y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4by, and x square is equal to minus 4by. First point is what? Diagram. Now this is called axis, the line about which parabola is symmetric. So second point is what? Axis. Then focus, vertex, directrix. Focus, vertex, directrix. Axis, focus, vertex, directrix. Then this is called latter sectum. Length of latter sectum. End points of latter sectum. Equation of latter sectum. And then this is what? Tangent at vertex. Tangent at, and point number 10th is what? In which quadrant parabola is extended? Extension in the quadrant. Now see this. Axis is what? X-axis. That is y is equal to 0. Here axis is what? X-axis, that is y is equal to 0. Here axis is what? Y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Opposite of axis is what? Tangent at vertex. It is x-axis. Tangent at vertex is what? Y-axis. That is x is equal to 0. Here also y-axis. That is x is equal to 0. Here x-axis. That is y is equal to 0. Here also x-axis. That is y is equal to 0. Then focus is what? As A0. 1 minute. Let me write with different thing because they are similar points. S corresponds to A0. Here it is what? S corresponds to minus A0. S corresponds to 0b. Here S corresponds to 0 minus b. Then directrix. See how to remember directrix. What is x coordinate of focus? Directrix is what? X coordinate of focus is what? Plus a is equal to y coordinate. This is the technique to remember. Here directrix is what? X coordinate of focus is what? Minus a is equal to y coordinate. Here y coordinate of focus is what? Plus b. X coordinate, y coordinate of focus is what? Minus b. So this way you have to remember, when focus is known to you, then you can find out very easily equation of directrix. And equation of lateral stem is what? Reverse. X plus a, so it will be what? X minus a. X minus a, so it will be what? X plus a. Y plus b, so it will be what? Y minus b. Y minus b, so it is what? Y plus b is equal to 0. Then end points of lateral stem. Focus is what? A. So both end point will have x coordinate a and y coordinate is what? Double of this. एक प्लस 2a हो जाएगा और दूसरा minus 2a. There are two end points. One is on this side, that is first quadrant, another is on this side, that is on fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant. Here focus is what? Minus a. So both end points will have, both end points will have x coordinate minus a. Y coordinate is double of this. One is plus 2a, second is minus 2a. Here y coordinate of focus is what? Plus b. So both the end points will have y coordinate b. X coordinate is what? Double. One will be 2b and second is what? Minus 2b. Here focus is what? Y coordinate of focus is minus b. X coordinate is double. One is 2b, another is what? Minus 2b. Then what is lateral septum? This 4a is what? Length of lateral septum. What is lateral septum? 4a. This is length of lateral septum. Here it is what? Plus 4a, because length can never be negative. Here it is what? 4b and here also 4b. Then vertex is what? At origin. In all the cases it is what? Origin. Now extension in the quadrant. In which quadrant this parabola is extended? You can see first and fourth. First quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is second and third. First and second. This is third and fourth. See, next point is parametric equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax or x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. parametric equation of parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax or x is minus 80 square and y is 280. Parametric equation of parabola x square is equal to 4by or x is equal to 2bt and y is what? bt square. Parametric equation of parabola x square is equal to minus 4by or x is equal to 2bt and y is equal to minus bt square. Then point number 7, focal distance of any point p x1 y1 of parabola y square is equal to 4ax is x1 plus a, that is x coordinate of the point plus a, and we have to keep in modulus sign because length can never be negative. Point number 8, if AT1 and BT2 corresponds to AT2 square, be the end points of focal chord AB, then T1 T2 is what? Minus 1. If A T corresponds to AT square comma 280, be one end of focal chord AB, then other end B corresponds to A upon T square comma minus 2A upon T. If parameter of one end of focal chord AB is of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Is T, यानी आउट ऑफ ए एंड बी किसी भी एक पॉइंट का पैरामीटर अपने को पता है, देन लेंथ ऑफ फोकल कॉर्ड इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू ब्रैकेट टी प्लस 1/t the whole square. If PSQ, where PQ is what? End points of focal chord and S is focus, B focal chord of parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then 1 upon length SP plus 1 upon length SQ is equal to 1 upon A. Next point is equation of parabola whose vertex is at HK and axis is parallel to x-axis is y minus k square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Equation of parabola whose vertex is at HK and axis is parallel to y-axis is x minus h square is equal to 4 into y minus k, or you can write 4b into y minus k, anything. Next point is general equation of parabolic curve. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, or x is equal to ay square plus by plus c, where a, b, c are belongs to real number and a should not be 0. Consider y is equal to ax square. What we had to do, we had to make perfect square in x. So for that, take coefficient of x square common. So we'll get x square plus b by a x plus C keep as it is. Make perfect square, तो x square plus b by ax plus, now coefficient of middle term is what? B by a, divide by 2, so b by 2a, square it, so you'll get b square by 4a square plus c is there. You have added b square by 4a, so that will subtract, because a is multiplied, so this is not 4a square but it becomes upon 4a. So b square by 4a we have added, will subtract it. So y is what? A into, this will become x plus b by 2a the whole square plus c minus b square by 4a. Now bring this on this side. So a into x plus b by 2a is equal to y minus c plus b square by 4a. A you divide on that side, so you'll get x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to 1 upon a into y minus common, so in bracket you will get c minus b square by 4a. In this case, vertex will be what? Here vertex corresponds to minus b by 2a, comma c minus b square by 4a. Similarly, we can find out for x is equal to. Next point is position of a point. If y1 square is equal to 4ax1, then px1 y1 lies on parabola. If y1 square minus 4ax1 is greater than 0, then px1 y1 lies outside parabola. And point number 3 is, if y1 square minus 4ax1 less than 0, then px1 y1 lies inside the parabola. circle drawn on focal length as diameter touches tangent at vertex. See the diagram. This is focus and this is, now this is taken as what? Diameter this is diameter of circle. And S is focus. It touches tangent at vertex, that is y-axis. SP is what? Diameter of circle. Seventeenth is circle drawn on focal chord as diameter touches directrix of parabola. Say this is parabola, this is focal chord, this is focus. Draw a circle as diameter. This circle touches directrix D. PQ is what? Diameter. Next point will be on tangent. So next point on equation of tangent to parabola y square is equal to 4ax at any point P x1 y1 on it is y1 is equal to 2a into bracket equation of tangent to parabola y square is equal to 4ax at any point pt corresponds to at square comma 2at is ty is equal to x plus at square. If line, the condition that line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to parabola y square is equal to 4ax is c is equal to a by m and point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. Next point is equation of tangent to parabola y square is equal to 4ax in terms of slope m is y is equal to mx plus a upon m. Equation of common tangent to parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay is x plus y plus a is equal to 0. Point number 23. Equation of common tangent to parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is a raised to 1 by 3x plus b raised to 1 by 3y plus a raised to 2 by 3 into b raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Now next point is on normal. Equation of normal to parabola y square is equal to 4ax at p x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to equation of normal to parabola at PT corresponds to AT square comma 2AT is y plus tx is equal to 2AT plus AT cube. Equation of normal to parabola in terms of slope m is y is equal to mx plus 2am minus am cube. This is, sorry, minus 2am minus am cube. Point of contact am square minus 2am. If normal at any point PT1 meet parabola at QT2, then T2 is what? Minus T1 minus 2 upon T1. This is a relation between T2 and T1. If normals at PT1 and QT2 meet on parabola, then T1 into T2 is what? 2. So these are important points from parabola. Next video will be on important points of ellipse and hyperbola. Thank you very much.